every transformation, every victory, every success is a decision. It's a decision. It's that simple, yet that profound. A decision to make a difference. A decision to change. A decision to rise and rebuild. You first need to know your own human power. You need to know your ability. You need to know how powerful you are. Second, you need to know how powerful God is. You alone is not going to work. It's not. Self-sufficiency is a myth, and it's bullshit. You are called for greatness. You have a purpose. You have a mission. You have a destiny. No winner wins by just a decision. I wrote a book. And it was a bestseller. Yes. Turn your tragedy into a triumph on him. If you align with God's calling, he will speak. He will speak.